Hey guys, it's Shelby over at the Volo Museum. And behind me, we have a 1970 B5 Blue Superbird for sale. But that's not all. We also have another factory B5 Blue Superbird for sale. And that's not all. We have another factory B5 Blue Superbird for sale. This one is documented with the WISE report. It has the white bench seat, 440 with a automatic column shift. Now this one's a number match 440 automatic with the white bucket seats. Now this one is a real 4-speed with the pistol grip shifter. It has a Hemi under the hood and has been rotisserie restored. Also has the black bench seat. Now all three of these are for sale at volocars.com. Contact sales, we can help assist with financing and shipping.